job.
First try. Second try. Look at that smile. All the way home, buddy.
Keep going fast and you won't fall down. Good job.
There's our little bike rider. About 15 minutes ago, we took off his training wheels, and he doesn't.
He never looked back.
He never looked back. He never fell. He just took off and said, "Mom, let go." You're doing such a good job, Austin. Are you proud of yourself?
He doesn't need those goofy pads.
Mommy's proud of you. Good job.
Very proud of you.
Should we take the pads off, buddy? No? Okay, keep riding. Show me how you can ride.
I guess the car's bike can be Sarah's now.
Good job. Good job, Austin. There's a car coming? Okay, then let's wait.
What's the rule?
Keep going, bud. Good job. You can do it, can't you? Woo, there he goes. There's my big kid bike rider. He's so proud of himself. That's adorable.
What a ham.
Good job, buddy. Good job.